Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll take a look at a couple of two new Excel functions which will help you transform your tabular or range data into either columns or row data. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analysis in Excel, Python and Pandas. I'll leave a link to my data analysis series and videos that I made with the free online version of Excel, so you can follow those videos as well. So let's dive right into it and take a look at these new formulas. So the first one we're going to see is how we can convert this tabular data, which has 3 columns and 3 rows. The columns are A, B, C and the rows are these 3 rows. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So we're going to use the ToCol function. Okay. We'll select the entire range. Then we'll keep all the default values, so we can ignore this. And now we'll say scan by rows default and hit enter, and you can see it has scanned by rows. A, B, C is first, then 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, and so this is converted your entire tabular data into a single column. Let's see a different scanning option. You can scan by columns as well. So again, we've got ToCol function. Let's pass the entire range. Let's keep this as default and then hit the true and enter, and now you can see it has scanned by columns. A 147, B 258, C 369. Similarly, you have the row function, 2 row function. So I can have 2 row. Okay, and let us select the entire range. Let's keep this as default and let's select the scan by column option. And this is how you can convert your entire tabular data into a single row. So I hope you like this video. Do stay tuned for the latest of data analysis in Python, Pandas and Excel. And if you like this video, do leave a like and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.